Hello traders. I hope you are doing well. So, today I am going to share with you Forex simple and easy strategy. First we open AUDNZD in 5-minute time frame. This strategy we need relative strength index indicator. With change some settings. If relative strength index indicator cross middle black level line downward, then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If relative strength index indicator cross middle black level line upward, then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like and share this video and subscribe to ForexLia.